and I seen these guys flowering, I got so excited. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I planted that. I'm sure a lot of you guys know it's a numbers game. When you are planting a food forest or designing one, or you're just planting berries and fruit trees and perennial herbs and anything that's permanent other than a vegetable garden, you know, fruit trees and berry bushes and all that good stuff. It's a numbers game. Not all of it's going to do good. And what's so cool is that when you keep at it and you're just constantly planting stuff and adding diversity and stuff, not all of it's going to do good. You're going to realize that certain things do better than others, and certain things do better in certain areas than others. And but it's so cool that when you can walk around and find stuff that you forgot about planting, like you're rediscovering something. Now you can see we got a nice view up here. This is the top corner of my property. This is the highest point on my property. This is the top of the terrace garden right here. We used to have the terraces with the pumpkins. And look what I found that I forgot about. This is Echinacea purpurea, or people call it purple coneflower. But this is a native to Tennessee. And this is one of nature's strongest antibacterials. This right here is an antibiotic. It's an immune booster. You actually can build your immune system. If you're already sick, it's hard to drink Echinacea tea and to kind of get better. You kind of got to use that to give yourself a strong immune system. And you use all the leaves, the stem, the flower, everything when you're making Echinacea tea. And I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy that I found a bunch of Echinacea, not even a bunch, just one plant, because I planted a whole bunch. I planted like 20 different plants all across my property in no zones and at the base of fruit trees and everything. And so far, I did that about a year ago, year and a half, almost 2 years ago. This is the only one that I've seen popping out anywhere. Now, what's cool about this is it might seem like there's a bunch of nonsense going on in right here, but this is a small food forest right here. This is a small guild of native Tennessee fruiting and medicinal species right here. Now this is a native mulberry. I actually took one of the branches that I pruned off of the native mulberry. That's right over there, right underneath this big giant black cherry tree. There's a little mulberry over there. And I pruned the top of it off. And I stuck a bunch of the branches in the ground in the wintertime, and this is one of them that's grown back. So this is Morus rubra. This is the Native American mulberry, right here. Native American black mulberry, or red mulberry actually. This is Echinacea purpurea. This is the purple coneflower. This right here, as you know, is the wild blackberry. It's native, aggressive blackberry. That's just, I mean, you can see it's all blackberries in here, and wild parsnips and everything. And then underneath there, I've got a wild plum that I planted in here. Now, the echinacea, the plum, and the mulberry, I planted. The blackberries already here and spreading. But you can see I've got a little baby plum tree. I put all this stuff in about 2 years ago. And let me see if I can find him down there. Yep, I see his little stem. You can see the stem of the wild plum right there. So that's pretty cool. Let me step back and take a look at it. There's a wild American mulberry here that's going to get really tall, you know, 60 feet tall. Here's some wild flowers. That's a great tea. That's one of the best teas you can drink, is echinacea tea. Black mulberry, or I'm sorry, blackberry, which is also a good tea. The leaves are a really good tea on there. And then wild plum. This made my day. When I came out here the other day and me and the kids were picking blackberries and I seen these guys flowering, I got so excited. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I planted that. So it's cool. It's cool when you're planting so many different things and you just keep at it. Even though you might not see it this year, you might not see it next year, you might see it the year after that. who knows how long this stuff takes to get established. You know, a lot of the little baby seedlings that you might plant might just keep getting chewed back or even dying. You might not really even see them for the, you know, second or third year and stuff. I planted a whole bunch of it 1 year, and I haven't planted any since because I just figured it, you know, I need a better supplier, I need a better source, and you can find these growing along ditches and stuff like that. I actually ordered these, the roots for these, and I think I might actually just start digging some up. I'll mark them down and then digging some up along the roadside ditches and stuff, you know, county land and stuff like that out in the country. But yeah, wild plum, echinacea, blackberry, mulberry, all within this little spot, and that's in the top corner of my property. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and give it a thumbs down if you just hate echinacea. You hate echinacea and you hate permaculture. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.